AI video skills are no longer optional, and once you master this workflow, you will realize just how much time you have been wasting. Whether you are a creator trying to scale your audience, a business owner needing daily social content, or someone with ideas that deserve to be seen, this process accelerates everything. I designed this guide to give you a clear, usable starting point so you can avoid the chaotic trial and error that makes most beginners quit. By the end of this session, you will grasp the fundamental building blocks of modern AI video, the best workflow for consistency, and how to turn long videos into viral-ready clips. First, let's cover the quick theory so the practical steps actually make sense, specifically the two families of AI video, generation and editing. Generation is when you create footage from scratch using text or image-to-video models to dream up entirely new scenes. That technology is incredibly impressive and getting more realistic every month, but it often lacks the strict control you need for professional storytelling. Editing, however, is the part most creators actually need every single day because it takes footage you already have and transforms it into high-performing content. Most beginners get tripped up because the tooling ecosystem is completely scattered across a dozen different services. One service handles generation, another handles audio, a third deals with upscaling, and scheduling is a whole separate nightmare. You end up juggling accounts, paywalls, and slow interfaces, which is exactly why most people give up before they even start. That is precisely why an all-in-one approach matters for your productivity and your sanity. You need a platform that understands the creator's real problem, which is making consistent output without keeping 12 different tabs open. So let's walk through a simple, repeatable process that I personally use and recommend for maximum efficiency. Step 1 is to pick your source footage, which can be any long-form content like a podcast episode, a webinar, or a recorded interview. The trick is to choose material with distinct high-energy moments like strong opinions, jokes, or concise tips. Step 2 is to upload that footage and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. Instead of manually scrubbing through an hour-long file, use AI to identify the viral segments automatically. This isn't magic, it is pattern recognition trained on what performs well, like hooks in the first 5 seconds and clear takeaways. Step 3 is to tweak like a human because the AI catches a lot, but you are the creative lead who needs to polish the final product. Change the caption tone, swap the thumbnail frame, or trim an extra second to make the clip feel perfectly native to your brand. Step 4 is to plan the rollout by using an auto-schedule feature to distribute your content across different platforms. You do not want to babysit posting times, so let the system queue your best clips at the right time for every platform. Step 5 is to keep the calendar clean, which is the underrated feature that stops you from drowning in chaos. Consistency is the ultimate competitive advantage here, and creators who actually post reliably win the attention war. Now, I do not want you to think this is the only way to work, as there are plenty of incredible generative models for brand new scenes. Those tools are great, but they often struggle with the sheer volume of repurposing, which is why an all-in-one editing platform is your best friend. Here are a few quick tips so you do not overthink the tech. When asking the AI for highlights, be very specific about the angle you want. Tell it to find moments where you explain a specific concept or where the audience laughs, and you will get much better results. Also, always double-check your auto-generated captions, as fixing a misheard name or a missing word builds massive trust with your viewers. Remember that the competition often falls short because they multiply friction by forcing you to jump between too many different tools. The advantage of this workflow is purely practical. It keeps you in the flow state so you can publish more and learn faster. More output naturally equals more learnings, which is the simple math behind any successful creator's growth. Realistically, you will learn to train your AI system by curating and giving feedback over time, making the process almost automatic. If you want a highly stylized intro, generate it elsewhere, export it, and then simply stitch it to your repurposed clips. Why does this matter now? Because AI tools are updating at a breakneck pace and the bar is constantly moving. The creators who adopt a repeatable system, rather than relying on one-off viral luck, will be the ones who win long-term. The bottom line is that if you want to stop spinning your wheels, you must focus on a workflow that minimizes context switching. Start with the footage you already have, let the AI surface the potential hits, and use scheduling to keep your momentum high. Go upload one long video today, let the system find the moments, and you will see how much easier consistent creation can actually be.